Shawn Carlson, Blackjack 98 Enterprises. A while ago, I had went and downloaded the operator's manual for the Yamaha P-45 and I ordered this from Australia. This is the parts list, and it shows you the exploded diagrams of the parts that are available for this engine. It includes everything, the parts and the names of them. See that? The exploded diagram of the carburetor. Another carburetor. This is gold if you were ever looking for one, and I have it. And the best thing about it is these pages are detachable, which means if you want one, I can scan these and email them to you. Looks like the original one. Now, as for the operator's manual, I went and downloaded and printed it. What this does is just shows you how to use it, troubleshooting, spark plugs. It tells you how to do this, how to do that, the positioning, whatever. It tells you the fuels and the lubricants, all of which that I got right here. Not only that, but because of the fact that the parts that are on there, like the gaskets, I went and measured them out and traced them out, and I have the files with regards to tracing those out. So you gotta print it, cut it out, put it onto a gasket material, and then you can cut your own gaskets out for it. Okay? I printed these out, and these are 100% accurate. So, ladies and gentlemen, hold on. I am open for business. If you would like copies of those manuals and the lists, I will give them to you. Pretty much either no charge, or you can give me a bottle of rum. That's all. Shawn Carlson, Blackjack 98 Enterprises.